Hello, another short pap, not a number. So, you can see not a number here, and instead. So, let's start from beginning. So, we can do this and restart because we had closed the program. So we can restart the kernel and run our cells again. Give it a few seconds. And now when we want to check not a number, it means that there are some, we want to clean a data. So when we want to clean a data, first we check whether those data are correct. And how do we do it? We use not a number. df is no, this means it's not a number. So anything which is string or not a number, anything string. A string is anything that has got the quotation or the not real number. It should be saying true or false. So when you do like that, you control enter. You can see in line or in column 50, which is 51 indeed, you can see this is a number, it's not a number, it's not a number, it's not a number, and not a number. So when you just say, you can see tail, it is the one that has got problem, and then you can say df dot tail like that, tail like that, and you call that method, and you like that, you see, not a number, not a number, not a number, and that is how we identify the rows that are having a problem of not having a real number like the others, right?